So we have just entered the main building.
Correct.
And this is a slide to open.
Well, it's a folding door.
It's a folding door. I like when they tell me exactly. All right.
It can be open. Just make a huge space.
So you bring the outside in
Correct.
all the way.
Correct.
Wow. And it's all temperature controlled inside.
Correct.
So no reason to be hot.
None at all.
There is a bar at the far end that we're looking at.
Correct.
And once we have your clients in-house, then we have a bartender. And remember, it's an all-inclusive product. So once we have taken care of their booking, we have settled on pricing, no need to whip out a wallet, no need to pay again. One price does it all.